Think fruit always protects your heart? Some fruits could secretly spike your blood pressure. Stay tuned to uncover 5 fruits seniors over 60 should watch out for. And don't forget to subscribe for more vital heart health tips. Why fruit isn't always safe for your blood pressure. Today, we're going to talk about 5 healthy fruits that seniors over 60 should approach with caution. These fruits may seem harmless, or even beneficial, but they could silently be spiking your blood pressure. By the end of this video, you'll know which fruits to limit, how to substitute safer choices, and how to keep your blood pressure under control while still enjoying delicious, nutritious food. Oranges, a citrus fruit that can raise blood pressure in some seniors. Oranges are often seen as the perfect health food. They're sweet, juicy, and loaded with vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system and protect against cell damage. Many seniors enjoy starting the day with a glass of orange juice or snacking on fresh orange slices. But while oranges have many health benefits, they also carry hidden risks for seniors concerned about blood pressure. One major issue is their natural sugar content. A single medium orange contains about 12 grams of sugar. And while natural sugars are better than refined sugars, they still raise your blood sugar and insulin levels, which can influence blood pressure. Another concern is potassium. Oranges are high in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. For many people, that's a good thing. But for seniors with kidney issues, or those taking certain medications like ACE inhibitors or potassium-sparing diuretics, too much potassium can accumulate in the blood. High potassium levels can cause the heart to beat irregularly and contribute to elevated blood pressure. Let's look at Martha, a 70-year-old woman who loved her morning glass of fresh squeezed orange juice. She believed it was the healthiest way to start her day. But after several months, her doctor noticed her blood pressure was creeping higher, and blood tests revealed elevated potassium levels. Martha was stunned. She thought oranges were completely safe. Her doctor explained that while oranges are healthy in moderation, consuming them daily in large amounts can silently affect blood pressure for seniors, especially those with existing health conditions. If you love oranges, you don't have to give them up completely. Eat fresh orange segments instead of drinking juice, since juice concentrates sugar and removes fiber. A few slices are usually safe for most seniors, but talk to your doctor if you have kidney issues or are on heart medications. Oranges remain a nutritious fruit, but for seniors, portion size and frequency are crucial to avoid silent harm to your blood pressure. Bananas, helpful for some, risky for others. Bananas are one of the most popular fruits worldwide. They're soft, easy to digest, and a convenient snack for seniors. Many health experts praise bananas for their potassium content, which helps relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. For most people, bananas seem like a perfect heart-healthy food. However, bananas also carry hidden risks, especially for seniors over 60. While potassium can lower blood pressure for many people, it can cause trouble for those with kidney disease or seniors on certain blood pressure medications. If your kidneys can't remove excess potassium efficiently, potassium levels build up in your blood. High potassium, known as hyperkalemia, can lead to irregular heartbeats and spikes in blood pressure. Bananas are also relatively high in natural sugar and carbohydrates. A medium banana contains around 27 grams of carbohydrates and about 14 grams of sugar. For seniors with prediabetes, diabetes, or metabolic syndrome, these sugars can raise blood sugar levels and contribute to inflammation. Blood sugar spikes can indirectly affect blood pressure, creating stress on the arteries. Consider Harold, a 68-year-old man who began eating 2 bananas every morning to help lower his blood pressure. He believed more potassium would keep his heart healthy. But after several months, his doctor noticed his blood pressure was higher, and his blood tests showed elevated potassium levels. Harold was shocked. His doctor explained that while bananas are beneficial for many people, seniors must be cautious, especially if they have kidney concerns or take specific medications. The good news is you don't have to avoid bananas entirely. One small banana a day is generally safe for most seniors. But if you have kidney problems or are on blood pressure medications, ask your doctor how much potassium is safe for you. Bananas can still be part of a heart-healthy diet, but for seniors, moderation is essential to avoid silent risks to blood pressure. Grapefruit, a healthy fruit with hidden dangers for your heart. Grapefruit often makes the list of superfoods. It's low in calories, high in vitamin C, and has a refreshing, tangy flavor. Many seniors choose grapefruit for breakfast, believing it's the perfect way to start the day and help with weight control. Some even remember the old grapefruit diet that was popular decades ago. But grapefruit comes with hidden dangers that seniors absolutely need to know about. One major problem is that grapefruit interacts with many common medications, including several used to treat high blood pressure. Grapefruit contains compounds called furanocoumarins, which interfere with enzymes in your liver responsible for breaking down certain drugs. When this happens, the levels of medication in your blood can become too high, leading to serious side effects, including dangerously low or high blood pressure. For example, medications like calcium channel blockers, often prescribed for high blood pressure, may accumulate in your bloodstream if you eat grapefruit regularly. This can cause dizziness, swelling, and even dangerous drops in blood pressure. On the flip side, other drugs might become less effective, leading to uncontrolled hypertension. Consider Dorothy, a 69-year-old woman who loved starting each day with half a grapefruit. She believed it helped her manage her weight and kept her immune system strong. But over several months, Dorothy began feeling dizzy and lightheaded. Her doctor discovered that her blood pressure medication levels were too high because of her daily grapefruit habit. Dorothy was stunned. She thought she was making a healthy choice. The safest option for seniors is to talk with your doctor or pharmacist about whether grapefruit is safe for you. If you're taking medications for high blood pressure, cholesterol, or heart rhythm issues, grapefruit may not be a good choice. If you love citrus fruits, consider switching to oranges or mandarins in small amounts, provided your doctor approves. Grapefruit can be healthy, but for seniors, it's a fruit that demands caution because of how it can silently affect blood pressure through medication interactions. Pomegranate, powerful antioxidants, but a blood pressure. Risk for some. Pomegranates have become incredibly popular in recent years. They're often praised for being packed with antioxidants, which help fight inflammation and protect your heart and blood vessels from damage. Pomegranate juice, in particular, is marketed as a heart-healthy drink that might lower blood pressure. Many seniors add it to their diet, believing it's one of the best things they can do for their cardiovascular health. While pomegranates do contain beneficial compounds, they're also high in natural sugars. 1 cup of pomegranate seeds contains about 24 grams of sugar, equal to 6 teaspoons. Pomegranate juice is even more concentrated. A single glass can have 30 grams of sugar or more. For seniors who already have issues with blood sugar control, the high sugar load from pomegranate can indirectly impact blood pressure. Frequent sugar spikes cause inflammation inside the arteries, which stiffens blood vessels and raises blood pressure over time. Another hidden problem is that pomegranate juice can interact with certain blood pressure medications, similar to grapefruit. It may slow how your body processes drugs, leading to higher levels of medication in your bloodstream and causing unintended effects, including sudden changes in blood pressure. Let's look at Ed, a 71-year-old man who began drinking pomegranate juice daily because he read it could lower his blood pressure. At first, He felt good about his choice. But several months later, Ed started experiencing lightheadedness and fatigue. His doctor found his blood pressure medication levels were too high, partly because the pomegranate juice was interfering with his medication's breakdown in his body. Ed was shocked. He thought he was doing everything right for his heart. If you enjoy pomegranates, you don't have to give them up completely. Eating a few seeds occasionally is fine for most people. But if you're on medication for high blood pressure, talk to your doctor before consuming pomegranate juice or large quantities of the fruit. Pomegranates can be a powerful addition to your diet, but for seniors over 60, they require caution to avoid hidden spikes in blood pressure. Coconut water, a tropical drink with a hidden potassium surprise. Coconut water has exploded in popularity as a healthy drink. It's advertised as nature's sports drink, loaded with electrolytes and minerals. Many seniors turn to coconut water to stay hydrated, especially in hot weather or after light exercise. It feels light, natural, and refreshing, a far cry from sugary sodas or artificially colored sports drinks. But coconut water comes with a significant hidden danger for seniors worried about blood pressure. One major issue is its high potassium content. While potassium helps regulate blood pressure for most people, too much potassium can be harmful, especially for seniors with reduced kidney function. A single cup of coconut water contains around 600 milligrams of potassium. That's a significant dose in just one small drink. For seniors whose kidneys can't filter out excess potassium as efficiently as they used to, drinking coconut water regularly could raise potassium levels in the blood. High potassium levels can cause abnormal heart rhythms and sudden spikes or drops in blood pressure, putting seniors at serious risk. Consider Bill, a 74-year-old man who started drinking coconut water every afternoon. He thought it was a healthy alternative to sugary drinks. But at his next doctor's visit, blood tests showed dangerously high potassium levels. Bill's doctor explained that while coconut water is healthy for many people, it's risky for seniors with kidney concerns or those on medications that affect potassium balance. Even if you don't have kidney disease, drinking too much coconut water daily can contribute to electrolyte imbalances, which can destabilize blood pressure. If you enjoy coconut water, drink it occasionally in small amounts. And always talk to your doctor if you have kidney problems, high blood pressure, or take medications like ACE inhibitors, ARBs, or potassium-sparing diuretics. Coconut water might seem harmless, but for seniors over 60, it's a drink that deserves caution to protect your heart and blood pressure. The hidden connection between fruits and blood pressure for seniors. All the fruits and drinks we've talked about, bananas, oranges, grapefruit, pomegranates, and coconut water, have real health benefits. They're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that protect your body in many ways. But for seniors, the key is how these foods interact with your changing metabolism, your medications, and your cardiovascular system. Natural sugars can raise blood sugar levels, which indirectly raises blood pressure by stressing artery walls and increasing inflammation. Certain fruits interfere with how your body processes medications, leading to unexpected changes in blood pressure that could be dangerous. And high potassium levels can be a hidden threat for seniors whose kidneys don't function as efficiently as they once did. The problem is that all of this damage often happens silently. You might feel perfectly fine while inside. Your arteries are stiffening, your blood pressure is creeping upward, and your risk of heart attacks or strokes is increasing. The connection between sugar, potassium, and blood pressure. One of the main ways fruit can secretly raise blood pressure is through natural sugar content. Even though it's natural, fruit sugar still raises blood glucose. High blood sugar can increase inflammation, damage the lining of arteries, and contribute to plaque formation, all factors that raise blood pressure over time. Another hidden issue is potassium. Many fruits are high in potassium, which helps lower blood pressure for most people. But for seniors whose kidneys don't work as well, or those taking certain blood pressure medications, too much potassium can accumulate in the blood. Excess potassium can disrupt the heart's electrical signals, leading to irregular heartbeats or sudden spikes or drops in blood pressure. Certain fruits, like grapefruit and pomegranate, can also interact with blood pressure medications, causing drugs to stay in the bloodstream longer or become too strong. This can unexpectedly lower or raise blood pressure to dangerous levels. The truth is, while fruit is healthy, seniors over 60 need to think about how much they're eating, how often, and whether any medications might react with certain fruits. Solutions for seniors who want to enjoy fruit safely. Here's the good news. Seniors don't have to give up fruit entirely. You can absolutely enjoy fruit. It's still one of the healthiest food groups on Earth. The key is balance, moderation, and smart choices. Here are practical steps seniors over 60 can take. Check with your doctor or pharmacist. If you're taking medication for blood pressure, cholesterol, or heart health, always ask whether certain fruits might interact with your meds. Watch portion sizes. Instead of a whole bowl of fruit, try half a cup or a few slices. Measure out portions instead of eating straight from a large container. Eat whole fruits, not juices. Whole fruits contain fiber that helps slow sugar absorption, reducing blood sugar spikes. Fruit juices, even 100% juice, remove fiber and concentrate sugar. Choose lower sugar fruits. Berries, apples, pears, and citrus fruits in small portions are usually safer for blood sugar and blood pressure than tropical fruits or dried fruits. Limit dried fruit. Treat dried fruit as a topping, not a snack. Just a tablespoon sprinkled over oatmeal or yogurt is plenty. Read labels carefully. Even natural or organic products can be high in sugar or potassium. Look at nutrition labels for sugar and potassium content. Spread fruit intake. Throughout the day, instead of eating a large portion at once, enjoy small servings spaced out. This helps prevent spikes in blood sugar and potassium levels. Stay hydrated with water. Instead of fruit juices or coconut water, choose plain water or herbal teas. They hydrate you without hidden sugars or electrolytes that might disrupt blood pressure. Small daily changes add up over time. Seniors who adjust how and what fruits they eat can continue enjoying delicious, nutritious food without putting their hearts at risk. The bottom line: your heart deserves smart choices. My dear friends, fruits remain one of the true gifts of nature. They brighten our plates, delight our taste buds, and fill our bodies with valuable nutrients. But for seniors over 60, even healthy fruits can carry hidden risks for blood pressure if not eaten wisely. The good news is that you have control. By choosing your fruits carefully, watching your portions, and talking with your doctor about your medications, you can keep your arteries healthy, your blood pressure stable, and your heart beating strong. Remember, natural does not automatically mean harmless. Your heart deserves smart choices, especially in your golden years. Conclusion: take care of your heart, and it will take care of you. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support helps me keep creating videos to help seniors live longer, healthier lives. And don't forget to share this video with someone you care about. It might help protect their heart too. Take care of your heart, and it will take care of you. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.